Look above this beautiful display. Rail Trail is back, presented by U.S. Bank. Discovery magic around every corner. Rail Trail Light is back here in 2024. Starting February 2nd and going to February 18th, the Rail Trail will celebrate local art like you've never seen before. It's very interactive light installations. So attendees can stroll down the rail trail enjoying one-of-a-kind art with opportunities to take the perfect photo, grab a bite to eat, and explore South End neighborhood. See all the incredible regentrification, and you can do it over and over again. It's open to the public. There's lots of ways to get to South End, especially if you're looking to not drive. You can first start off by taking the light rail. The Lennox Blue Line goes through South End, and you can stop at the Bland Street Station to be closest to the Pavilion, which is a great starting point. Or you can go to the East-West Boulevard Station, which is closest to Atherton. So you can travel by bike, you can travel by scooter. If you are traveling by car and you're trying to get to Atherton, heads up, there's only a limited amount of free parking, some street parking along Camden Road, but there are also some parking garages which you can pay to go to. 100 West Worthington at the Design Center, the Square, or 1616 Camden. So truly a phenomenal area to go out and walk and enjoy.